Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how I maintain my box braids. But before I start anything, if you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. So let's talk about maintaining box braids. When I put my braids in, I like to keep them in for at least 2 months, maybe 3 if I can do it. I don't really do too much to my hair when my hair is in braids. Now, yes, again, it's important to moisturize, it's important to take care of your edges and everything like that when it's in braids. I don't do too much because, again, build up and just weighing my hair down, it's never a good scene. When I first get my hair braided, my hair is already moisturized and cleansed and all that stuff, so I don't really have to do anything too much to it. The main thing that I'll do probably the first night or maybe the second night after I get my braids, I'll probably spray it with some Braid Spray, and this is my all-time favorite Braid Spray. It's Will-Gro Braid and Extension Sheen and Moisturizing Scalp Spray. I use this one almost always when I first get my hair done. You know, when you get that initial itch and everything, I use that. If my hair is really bad, I'll pull out my Sulfur 8 and I'll use that. But I haven't been using this one in a while, but I have this just in case. So after my initial spray with my Braid Spray, I generally leave it at that. But lately, because I'm on a new hair growth journey, I decided to put together a concoction that hopefully will help my hair grow. It's fenugreek and castor oil. So I put this together and then I put it in my little dropper bottle here. And then all I did was just put a little bit of oil on my scalp, not too much, and not on a daily basis either. Another thing that I started doing was to use fenugreek and water. It's just a fenugreek spritz. So I put about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek in a jar, filled it up with water, and left it overnight. And then I got this, put it in the spray bottle, and then I just use it as like kind of a daily spritz if I need it. So when I feel like my hair probably needs a little bit of moisture put back into it, I grab a leave-in. You can grab any leave-in that you want, and a spray bottle. Put a little bit of water in your spray bottle, a little bit of leave-in, and then there you go. There's your moisturizer right there. And that's it. Just keeping it very simple. You don't have to do too much to your hair because, again, you don't want to cause frizz or unnecessary pulling, weighing down, product buildup. And lastly, I wrap my hair. My hair is wrapped pretty much 90% of the time. If I'm at home, my hair is wrapped. I use this scarf to cover up my roots, my edges, and then I use this lovely bonnet my daughter made me to cover up my ends. I love using 2 because it ensures that I keep everything covered, protected, and neat so that my braids last longer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.